like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. This was $3.50 for 15 minutes. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and staying encouraged. I love you all. To my channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making some loaded mashed potatoes. Okay, so to start, we're going to be needing some heavy whipping cream, sour cream. I have 7 small potatoes here. I have a stick of butter, about a cup and a half of cheese. I have some green onions here that I cut up, about 3 of them. Then I have my Tisha's Creative Cooking seasoning. But if, of course, you don't have the seasoning yet, but it is just, you can just substitute with some pepper, Himalayan salt, and some garlic. Okay. Then I have some bacon here. I'm actually going to make some more bacon. So I'm going to do about a pack of bacon. And then I have some garlic here. Okay, my creators, let's get it. And I just have my potatoes here. I'm going to let them boil on medium high for about, I say 20 minutes or so. You can cut your potatoes in half, but they're small potatoes, so I didn't do that, okay? So until they are fork tender, you guys. Hey y'all, I'm back. Hopefully you guys can see me really well. I got you set up nicely. So I have my oven preheated at 350. My potatoes are fork tender, as you can see, okay? And then what you want to do is, before you put anything in, just, you know, break it up a little bit more, okay? Now, of course, you guys can do more potatoes than this, but I don't need a lot of leftovers, so I didn't do a lot, okay? Follow this recipe, and then you can double it. That's good. Yeah, son. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in, when it's done, you can taste it, baby. So I put in a cup. Okay, y'all. So I put in my cup of heavy whipping cream. I put in half of my bacon, half of my green onion, and then half of my cheese, y'all. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Sorry. Okay. And then I'm also going to put in just a 1/3 a cup of the sour cream, okay? I'm going to blend it up. See how that's looking, y'all? I love loaded mashed potatoes. And you don't want it to be in a consistency to where you're, blending it too much, because you want it to be a little thick, okay? All right. So I'm gonna put my loaded mashed potatoes right in there. Okay. Now with the butter, you guys can mix it in if you want to. See how that's looking, y'all? Like a nice good casserole. You guys can mix it in if you want, but for me, I'm just going to put some pieces of butter on the top. Honestly, it don't make no never mind. Okay? As long as the butter is in there, it does not matter. Okay? Now with my seasonings, I'm going to put my seasonings in here. Okay? I'm just going to mix them all in. I honestly forgot a step, you guys. Ooh, but get into this. Look how that look. Y'all, that looks so good. Yes, 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 yes. Loaded mashed potatoes. So that was Tisha's Creative Cooking seasoning, along with some garlic. Okay. But again, that seasoning isn't out yet, so of course you can't cook with it yet. You guys are good. Of course, you can't cook with it yet, but it's going to be out soon. Okay, so I have some more, and again, put as much salt on it as you want. You guys know I'm a Himalayan salt type of girl. I don't really mess with too much salt like that. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle some of the green onion on top. And then the rest of your cheese right on top, okay? Looking good. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes or so. Okay, stick with me, my creator. Out of the oven. Just look at that, you guys. That was 15 minutes on 350. Okay, looks amazing. I also put some air fried pork chops in the air fryer, and then I have this this avocado ranch chopped salad kit that I'm doing with my pork chop and my loaded potatoes, y'all. So let me go ahead and build this plate with y'all. Remember I told you I had a pork chop in the air fryer? Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looked like. So this is my pork chop from the air fryer. It was air fried for 14 minutes. Y'all, that look good. Okay, that look real good. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and you gotta be quiet so they can hear me. Okay. Good boy. Use your inside voice. Y'all, he be wanting people to hear him all the time. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and put some of these mashed potatoes on this plate. Oh my goodness. Y'all can let this cool down because I did not. I didn't even give mine a chance to rest, y'all. Just woke it up and put it on the plate. Okay. All right. See that there, y'all? Air fried for 14 minutes. Got my little salad. And I'm going to put the salad kit came with avocado ranch. Y'all know those little kits that y'all get at your local grocery store. So let's drizzle some. We gotta open it up a little bit more. Okay, there we go. That's it, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Until next time, my creators, be blessed.